Starting an LLC is one of the best ways to protect your business and gain tax advantages. And now gone are the days where you need to hire a lawyer and pay super expensive fees to get it done. In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to start your LLC in 2025. And at the end of the video, we're actually going to show you how to set up your LLC with one of our favorite LLC formation companies if you don't want to go and do all the steps by yourself. They make it a lot easier, super simple, and you can have it up in just a few minutes rather than having to go through your state website to apply yourself. So stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss any of that information that we have for you today. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to choose the best state to form your LLC in. Most of the time, the best place to form your LLC is the state which you live and operate the business in. Now, you might have heard about starting your business in a state like Wyoming or Delaware to save on some taxes and to have a little bit better legal protection. But we actually have some other videos on the channel where we talk specifically about this issue and why it might not be the best case for your specific situation. We'll be sure to have those linked down below in the description so you can check those out. We won't go too into depth here about why you should have that business in the state that you live and operate in, but just know that you have to register your business in all of the states that you operate in. So you're probably just going to have to register in a bunch of states if you register in the state where you don't live. And that can get expensive with formation fees, annual fees, and all the other fees that get added on. To avoid all the paperwork and additional fees, it's best to just start that business in the state that you live and operate that business in. This is going to be the simplest and most cost-effective option for you. Now, after choosing your state, you need to choose a name for your LLC. And the business name has to be unique and available in your state. And the easiest way to check on the availability of your name is to go on the Secretary of State website and do a quick business name search. If your name is taken, you'll have to come up with another option. And just an extra tip here, you also want to make sure that there's an available domain for your business. Do some research and make sure that's available as well because you definitely want to have a website in 2025. Another thing about naming your LLC is there are specific guidelines and they vary from state to state. Usually they require you to have LLC or limited liability company or some abbreviation of those in your name. Now, once you have a name, it's time to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company that receives and sends legal documentation on behalf of your LLC. You can be your own registered agent, but this means that your personal name and address will be available on the public domain, which you do not want to do. Later on in the video, we'll talk about one of our favorite LLC formation companies and we'll show you how to set up your LLC with them. But the great thing about them is that they offer a free year of registered agent service, which normally costs anywhere between $99 to $300 or $400 per year. So it's a great value because their package only costs $39, but more on them later. After you appoint a registered agent or a registered agent service, now it's time to file your articles of organization. This is the official documentation that forms your LLC. Every state has a different process, but you can normally find these documents on the Secretary of State website. The form is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your LLC name, business address, registered agent information, and the management structure of your business. Some states charge as little as $50 to file these articles of organization, and others charge as much as $500. Once you file your articles of organization, which by the way can also be called certificate of formation or certificate of organization in some states, it can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks for your LLC to be approved. Be sure to check your state's specific processing times to make sure that you understand what the timeline is going to look like. After filing your articles of organization, you need to create an operating agreement. Now, even if your state does not require one, and most states do not, this is really a good document to have in place. The operating agreement outlines who owns the business, how profits and losses are divided, and how major decisions are made. If you're the only owner, then this document will be simple. But if you have partners, it's critical to clearly define roles and responsibilities to avoid any conflict down the line. Imagine going into business with a friend and later run into disagreements about decision making or profit distribution. Without an operating agreement, it can be difficult to resolve these disputes, and things could get messy. A well-drafted operating agreement protects everyone involved. All right, once your LLC is finally approved, you have your operating agreement in place, then you'll need to get an employer identification number or an EIN number. This comes from the IRS, and basically it's a social security number for your business. You can think about it as the same thing. This is going to be required to file taxes, hire employees, and open a business bank account. And the best part is this is completely free to get. All you have to do is to apply on the IRS website And that's pretty much it. This application only takes a few minutes and you should receive your EIN number immediately. Now, if you don't want to go between your Secretary of State website and the IRS website, you can use an LLC formation platform like the one we'll talk about a little bit later, and they'll do everything for you all in one application. Now that you have your EIN number, you need to choose how your LLC is going to be taxed. By default, if you're the only owner, your LLC is taxed as a disregarded entity, which means all your profits are reported on your personal tax return. If you have multiple partners, your LLC will be taxed as a partnership. However, you do have the opportunity to elect your LLC to be taxed as an S Corp, which can save you a lot of money in self-employment taxes if your business is making good profit. We won't go into too much detail here today about how valuable S Corps can be in saving you money on taxes, but we do have a couple other videos on the channel that we'll be sure to have linked down below in the description, so be sure to check those out if you want more information on S Corps. Just note that you do have 75 days from the formation of your LLC to elect your LLC as an S Corp. So don't miss that deadline. Be sure to get right on it if that's something you think you need. Many business owners don't know that electing their LLC as an S Corp can save them a lot of money on self-employment tax. It's potentially thousands of dollars per year, so be sure to look into this. The next step is to open a business bank account. Keeping your personal assets separate from your business assets is crucial for legal protection and tax purposes. Most businesses require your LLC formation documents, your EIN, and an operating agreement to open a business bank account. Having a separate business account will also make bookkeeping and tax filing much easier. When tax season rolls around, you won't have to be sifting through personal expenses to find your business ones. Trust me, I had to do this the first couple years of my business and it was not fun. Now I have a business bank account and credit card to keep all of my transactions separate from my personal ones. Some banks even offer business credit cards and financing options, which can be helpful as your business grows. And we'll be sure to leave some of our favorite business credit cards down below in the description as well. Next, you need to obtain any necessary business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you may be required to get local, state, or federal licenses to legally operate in your area. For example, if you're operating a restaurant, you're going to need health permits. If you're starting an online business, you might need a home business permit in order to operate out of your house. Be sure to check with your local government to see what's required for your specific business and industry. Finally, you need to make sure you're compliant with ongoing state requirements. Most states require LLCs to file an annual report and pay a renewal fee to stay in good standing. Some charge as low as $25, but others can be a few $100s. If you miss your annual filing fee, you run the risk of your LLC being dissolved by the state, which means that you might lose your liability protection and potentially have to start the formation process all over. Mark your calendar with that annual renewal and do not forget it. All right, so it's pretty straightforward, but some of it can get a bit complicated, especially when it comes to compliance. So if you don't want to do any of these steps yourself and you want to actually just hire a company to do it for you, we're now going to show you how to set up your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. For only $39, they'll get your LLC started today, and you get a free year of a registered agent service, which is a value of anywhere from $99 to $300 or $400 per year. So it's a really, really good deal. And if you don't want to hop between the Secretary of State website and the IRS website, you can do everything on their platform, and they'll actually get your EIN number for just a small additional fee. And they'll actually get your EIN number for you as well for just a small additional fee. All right, so click on our special link down below in the description to get that $39 formation, and we'll join up here together to walk through the platform. Once you've clicked on that link down below in the description, it should bring you to a page that looks very similar to this. Now you'll see for $39, we can get our business started today. So let's go ahead and click Get Started. The business that we want to start is an LLC, so we'll go ahead and leave that checked here. Now we have to choose the state that we want to form our LLC in. And like I said, it's probably the state that you live in. I live in California, so I'll go ahead and choose California here, but you should choose your state. Now you'll see that this is a $90 standard processing time. I have to pay that $90 to the state, whether I go through Northwest Registered Agent or directly through the state website. This is just the fee to file my documentation for my LLC, so Northwest doesn't get any of this money. You'll see that we can get this expedited at a very, very high increase in California of $440. That'll just save us 5 days of processing. I don't need that. We can just go ahead and stay with the $90 standard fee. And also here, there's the beneficial ownership information form. They're actually going to file this form for you for $25, which is a pretty good deal. This is a new requirement for LLCs that started January 1st, 2024, and it now requires you to add some additional information about the beneficial owners of your business. So they'll do it for $25. We're going to go ahead and add that on here. Next, when you're all good with that, let's go ahead and click continue. Now we have to name our LLC. So be sure that this is a name that's available in your state, but I'll go ahead and name ours here. And then you can also send a copy of your legal notices to your attorney if you'd like. Next, go ahead and enter your business purpose. And then it's going to ask you what address you'd like to choose for your registered agent. And you want to select our registered agent address for both the physical and mailing address. That's going to help keep your private information off the public domain. So you definitely want to have both of those checked. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and click continue. Now we have to decide on the company management of our LLC. You're either member managed or manager managed. For most of the people watching this video, you're going to be member managed. That means that you're managing your LLC. If you're manager managed, that means you're hiring someone to manage your LLC. Let's say you live in another country and you're hiring a manager to manage it. But most of you, like I said, are just going to be member managed. So I'll go ahead and put in my name here, and then I'll choose our registered agent address. That way my information stays off the public domain. And you can also add members here if you'd like, if you have multiple members in your LLC, but for me right now, it's just me. So we'll just go ahead and keep that one how it is. Now let's go ahead and click continue, and we'll have to enter some of our contact information here. So let's do that. And once we've done that, let's go ahead and click continue again, and we'll have to set up an email and password here. So let's go ahead and do that now. And once we're finished with that, we can go ahead and click continue. There's a couple of options that they have to bundle and save. They do a free 90-day trial of a website, some business emails, and a phone number service. You can just leave that off unless you think you need it. You can also bundle your own down here with just a domain, just the website, just the email, and phone service as well, and any combination of those you can do if you like. So we'll go ahead and continue here. There's some optional items that are a little bit of an add-on. The tax ID is that EIN number that we told you about earlier. If you have a social security number in the United States, this is only $50, and it is free to apply for on the IRS website, so you can decide whether you want to do that or not. But because we're just doing everything here in one, it's going to be easier just to add that $50 on now, rather than having to go back to the IRS website once they mail us our formation documents in a couple days. So let's just go ahead and leave that on. Here you can also elect your LLC as an S Corp. Like we said, they'll do that for $100, and that's filing form 2553, as you can see here. And that's filing form 2553 for you. That's going to elect your LLC to be taxed as an S Corp. They also offer a premium mail service, a trademark service, and a trade name or DBA. So we'll go ahead and click continue after that. Lastly, we'll just go ahead and put in our payment information here. And before we pay, let's just go ahead and look over the order summary briefly. So you'll see that the basic package here is $39. That covers our free year of our registered agent service, and a filing service fee is free as well. Then the California 6-day processing fee, which is standard for filing your LLC, that goes directly to the state, whether you file on the state's website or you go through Northwest Registered Agent. They don't get that money, it goes directly to the state. Then there's the compliance filing, which they waive for us, the free initial report, which is free. We elected to have our LLC taxed as an S Corp. That's an extra $100, and then the EIN number is an extra $50. The last thing is the BOI report, which is a new requirement in 2024, and that is $25. So a total today of $304. Remember, 90 of that was just your filing fees that go straight to the state. To have your LLC set up for $300, and you can even take off some of the add-ons if you like, is a really great deal. Once you're finished, go ahead and click done, and you'll be all set to go. And that's pretty much it. Now you have your LLC set up that's going to help protect your business and give you tax advantages. I know setting up an LLC might seem very overwhelming, but we hope after this video, we made it very simple for you to do. And if you don't want to do any of the steps yourself, you can just use a company like Northwest Registered Agent. And if you do choose to use our link for them down below in the description, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. So we really appreciate you helping us out there, because it helps us keep creating free content like this for you. Thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. This channel is dedicated to helping new and existing business owners with everything you need to know about LLCs. We review the best platforms and tools to help you set up, optimize, and manage your LLC. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We wish you the best, and we'll see you back again very soon in the next video.